Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to protect a PDF from editing using common software. First, choose whether you need password protection, permissions, or encryption. Use Adobe Acrobat, free tools, or built-in OS features depending on your device. Strong passwords should be at least 12 characters and include numbers and symbols. Use 256-bit AES encryption when available to ensure robust file protection. Always store original files securely and test protections on a copy before sharing. Backup the original in 2 separate locations and verify backups regularly. Open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro to set editing restrictions and encryption. Go to File, Properties, and then Security to choose a protection method. Select Password Security to require a password to change permissions or open. Check Restrict Editing and set an open password and a permissions password. Set permissions to forbid editing, printing, or extracting, and use 256-bit AES. For free alternatives, use PDF24, LibreOffice Export, or Microsoft Print to PDF. Always save a locked copy and test it on another device before distributing. Before locking, remove sensitive metadata using your PDF editor's Remove Metadata tool. Flatten form fields and convert text to outlines to hinder easy text editing. Apply watermarking and visual indicators that show the document is protected. Remember, permissions can be bypassed by determined users with advanced tools. For high security, use PDF signatures, certified documents, and certificate encryption. Share via secure links or encrypted cloud storage with expiration and access controls. Keep originals offline and maintain version backups to recover unaltered source files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.